Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. So in a recent video, I think it was a video on my Vance & Hines Shark Tale, somebody reached out to me in comments and said, "Hey Yogi, at minute, I think it was 4:21, where did you get that ring?" Well, this ring, actually, I think it was from a swap meet somewhere. I think it might have actually been from a Myrtle Beach rally. I think I got like 25 bucks, something like that, at one of those stands one of the vendors sell. But that got me to thinking. Biker jewelry. I like my rings. I do. But typically, I got my wedding ring on, got my Harley ring on. That's usually about all I'll ever wear. But that got me to thinking, because I've seen guys that have a whole fistful of rings. So I kind of wanted to talk about that today and get your thoughts on what you think about it. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by. Here at Yogi Cycle Service, I'm Yogi, your host, and we do pretty much anything motorcycle related, including talking about biker rings or tips on how to maintain and service your motorcycle. If you like what you see in this video, I ask you to surf around my channel and check out some of my other videos. Hey, if you like what you see there too, do me a favor, give a brother some love, hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video, and I hope you have fun because we're going to talk about, I brought it all, biker jewelry. So obviously we'll talk about rings, but one of the other things is bracelets. And what really came to mind? Because, I wear one of these also periodically. It's a leather cuff. And actually, I really like this leather cuff. I got this in Ukraine, actually, from a street vendor. I think in American money, it was somewhere between $6 and $10. Now the snaps are kind of rusty on it. It's kind of old. I've worn it a lot, and I enjoy it. But there is a bracelet, a biker cuff. Also, the old biker, you got the biker chain as a bracelet. You put that on your arm too. And I've seen guys. And what really made me think about doing this video is one time, I put my rings on, I put my cuff on, I put my bracelet on, I put the wallet and the chain on. Check it out, man. Handmade, Bama leather. Look them up on Facebook. Yogi. Pretty sweet wallet, too. It's got our full patch on the front. Room inside. Pretty sweet looking wallet. Check it out. Bama leather. There's a little plug for you, bro. Between the wallet, the chains hanging down from the chain wallets, the cuffs on the leather cuffs on the arms, the bracelets on the arms, and rings on every finger. One time I got dressed to go somewhere, and my wife's like, "You got more jewelry on than I do." And I stopped and thought about it. I'm like, you're probably right. So some of the other rings I have collected over the years, there's only one other ring that I really wear often, and it is our club ring. It is that ring there. And it's a 5-year anniversary ring. And I do wear that often. So a lot of times in some of my videos, you'll see me like this. But that's really about all I'll ever wear because it's too much. I have things from skull rings, box wrench rings, more skull rings, a DFFD, which in our club has Disciple Forever Disciple, an HD ring, and another one that's a Harley ring that's also a skull ring given to me by my good friend James, who you've seen on this channel before. And you can take all these, put them on every finger, and next thing you got a fistful. You can even put it on your thumb too. I don't think any of these will fit my thumb, but I've seen guys who have a ring on every finger. That's not my style. I don't really, it's okay. I've done it a few times, but I don't know why. So that's just not my thing. So I really that's about the most I'll do. But every day, I wear this one every single day. I wear it every day, all the time. If I'm awake, that ring's on because I love that ring. I really do. And this one, when I do club activities, I put my 5-year club ring on. But that's in essence, and I really never wear anything on my left hand except for my wedding ring. That's really all I'll ever wear. So I don't know. I just kind of wanted to talk to you about your thoughts. What's the limit? Do you wear more jewelry than your wife does when you go out to events? As far as the wallet and the chain, I'll wear this quite often. And with a wallet this size, I have found this chain is invaluable because as I was riding Miss Piggy not too long ago, I forget where I was going, but I pulled up to the traffic light and I felt something hit the back of my calf. I was like, what is that? And I looked down, it's my wallet. Oh, this has a tendency to work its way out of your jeans pocket, in your back pocket. And also, when I'm riding on the bagger and I have this in my back back pocket, this corner hits the inside of my wife's thigh, and it has made her black and blue before. So I've had to take this out and shove it in my front pocket because it doesn't really work well in my back pocket for long trips or big trips or even around town. I don't mind the chain. Anytime I wear this wallet, I pretty much have to wear this chain because I'm afraid of losing the wallet, and I paid a good bit for it, plus has my ID in it. So I don't mind wearing the chain and the wallet and maybe 2 rings, but that's about the extent of it anymore. You know, I went through the phase of wearing a fistful of rings, and I like the rings I have, and I try to be fairly picky on the rings that I wear and the rings that I have. But I've seen people, you know, a fistful here, and stuff on their arms, and I'm not talking like weekend warrior people. I'm talking like real riders, serious riders. So what's your preference? What do you like? Do you like a fistful of rings? Or do you like it no rings? What are your choices? I just thought it'd be something interesting to get like a little survey, a little poll going. So I'd really appreciate some comments below of, are you a ring guy or a ring girl, or not a ring guy, not a ring girl? What's your preference? What do you choose? It's fun, man. It's fun to put on the rings. It's fun to go for a ride. But at what point you're like, no, that's enough. For me, it was when my wife called me out and said, you got more jewelry on than I do. I was like, yeah, you're probably right. I probably do. I feel kind of stupid now. Thanks, hon. Love you. Fun little topic for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. And what are your favorite rings? You know, I know people who are like, oh, I don't like the skull thing. I'll never wear a skull ring. Hey, that's fine. That's cool. Me, I like flat rings, like this one, low profile. I don't like the big Indian head or the big eagle head. You know, I like low and flat, and you get caught on your gloves when you try to put your gloves on. They're just harder to deal with and to work with. I don't like pointy things either. My club ring, it's what they would call a cigar band ring. And I understand why, because it looks like a cigar band. That's probably the other reason why I really love this ring, because it's flat, just like this one. It's the cigar band ring. So what do you think, Yogi Clan? Again, put it in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hi, y'all. Love you guys. Peace.